Hi everyone, welcome back to the Refrigerator. Today's special guest is Toulay from Brooklyn, New York. And something special about Toulay, she is a student just like you. Let's check it out.
Hi students, today we're going to read the book White Rabbit's Color Book by Alan Baker. One day, White Rabbit found 3 big tubs of paint, red, yellow, and blue. Sunshine yellow, she thought. Lovely. A quick dip and yellow rabbit, bright as the sun. Now what about red, thought Rabbit. What's this? Orange Rabbit? Look, red and yellow together makes orange. Time for a wash, thought Rabbit. Red on its own this time. Splash! Red Rabbit, sizzling hot red. How cool blue looks, thought Rabbit. What's this? Purple Rabbit? Look, red and blue together makes purple. I am very important, Royal Purple Rabbit. Princess Purple Rabbit in the shower. Blue will do, thought Rabbit. Blue Rabbit, icy cold blue. Brrr. How warm yellow looks, thought Rabbit. What's this? Green Rabbit? Look, blue and yellow together makes green. Oh dear, no more water. All that's left is a little red paint. Now what would happen, thought Rabbit. Hooray! Brown Rabbit, lovely, warm brown. Blue, yellow, and red together makes brown, and brown's just right for me. White Rabbit explores the magic of colors with surprise results. The end. Right now, we're going to draw a little drawing on a piece of paper. We're going to draw a little oval like this. And 2 rabbit ears. Then do a little nose. Add a mouth and eyes. I will prefer you to use a pencil. Now draw the body. Draw a big oval. A fluffy tail, 4 legs, like this. Now add 3 tubs. Like this. Label each blue, red, and yellow. When you're using the pencil, after you sketch your art, you color it with the colors that you need. Blue, red, and yellow. Write your name and your last name. And you're done. hope you enjoy this teaching and this book. Bye!
Do you want to be on the refrigerator? Send us a video of you reading and drawing for a chance to be featured. Let's see some young readers.
Brown bear, what do you see? I said, red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a little duck looking at me.
If you gave a dog a donut. If you gave a dog a donut. Written by Laura Namaroff. I don't know how to say that. Illustrated by Felicia Bond. And there you go. If you gave a dog a donut, he'll ask for some apple juice to go with it.
They're home. Bear. Oh no, couple. I'm going home. Get home. I bet I'm